So, children, finally our most honorable sir has come over all the way from Golaghat to our place. So I believe you have come here fully loaded to get information, right? So before we start, request our men to felicitate sir, please. So big round of applause for sir. So sir is Mr. Siddhartha Gogoi. So sir has come all the way from Golaghat. Okay? So sir, thank you. Over to you.
Good afternoon all. Before going to start workshop on mathematics Olympiad and the topics, so first I'm want to know that how many of you or how many of you present here applied for IOQM, Indian Olympiad qualifier in mathematics. How many of you applied? No one yet. Okay. Before going to discuss the other topics, what are to be read in Olympiads, first say what is actually Olympiad. There are many more Olympiads. You know about Science Olympiad, Foundations Olympiad, and there are some Mathematics Olympiad and many more. But what is the original? So check here. International Mathematics Olympiad. So before going to discuss what is International Mathematics Olympiad and what are the syllabus and what are to read, so first just look this two. Who knows? Who is he?
Yes. You can say screen.
Name? Sunaina Patil. Okay. Next image. Ananda Bhaduri. From 1959, International Mathematics Olympiad was held from 1959. There are 7 countries participated in the Olympiad, and it was held in Romania. And from 1987, India participated there. And in Assam, the Assam Mathematics Olympiad was held from 1987. And Assam Mathematics Olympiad, the organizing committee, the Assam Academy of Mathematics, was founded in 1986. So they are the first Assamese students who participated in the international level. This is Ananda Bhaduri from Sarla Birla Academy, Guwahati. And again, she was also from Sarla Birla Academy. She is reading in class 12 now, and he is in class 11. Ananda Bhaduri and Sarla Birla Academy. Okay. Photograph from the event. This year, the International Mathematics Olympiad was held in Japan, Saiba. And these photographs are from there. Ananda Bhaduri, the photograph is taken when they present him the award. Okay, this was about the International Mathematics Olympiad. A simple note. Already known it is in Google there. Okay. The Indian team for International Mathematics Olympiad, actually Anand Bhaduri was ranked second in Indian National Mathematics Olympiad. We from the Assam expected that he gain a gold, but silver. Okay? And here's Sunaina Pati, soldier from the Assam. This is the first girl who represented India in European Girls Mathematics Olympiad. These are the states. Actually, the first stage of Indian National Mathematics Olympiad, or to the road to International Mathematics Olympiad, it was named as Indian Olympiad Qualifier in Mathematics. Actually, here it is right, pre-regional Mathematics Olympiad, but it was changed to, but it is now changed to Indian Olympiad Qualifier in Mathematics. In 2017, pre-regional Mathematics Olympiad was held. Now it is named as Indian Olympiad Qualifier in Mathematics. So these are the steps to road to International Mathematics Olympiad. First is Indian Olympiad Qualifier in Mathematics, and the second one, Regional Mathematics Olympiad. Third one, the camp, Indian Mathematics Olympiad training camp, and then the Indian National Mathematics Olympiad. So last time, यहाँ पर कौन सा दिया last time? IOQM? No one. Last time only Assam Mathematics Olympiad. Yeah. I think there is a rank holder, no?
You were there, but that was the first baby step we took, it's not it. So sir has come all the way to enlighten us. So now we know more, and our mathematics faculty is listening to this.
Okay. The first is Indian Olympiad Qualifier in Mathematics. There are 30 questions. There are 30 questions, and the questions are designed so beautifully that their answer is always in a single digit or a 2 digit. No need to write the methods, only you have to put the answers. It is either in a single digit or in a 2 digit. We know that there are some multiple choice questions and they get 4 options, but here 100 options, because the answers are ranging from 00 to 99. So there are 100 options. So this time it will be held at September 3, 2023. But the last date of form fill-up is already over. It is August 8, 2023. The last date is already over. It is a very simple exam. You have to score only 10 to participate in the next level. Only 10. Who scores 10 marks in pre-regional mathematics Olympiad, that is the Indian Olympiad Qualified in Mathematics, they are advanced to the Regional Mathematics Olympiad. Now in the Regional Mathematics Olympiad, there are 6 questions and each question carries 17 marks. And these are descriptive type questions. And our Assam Mathematics Olympiad, the questions of Assam Mathematics Olympiad in category 3, this is from 9, 10 and 11, they are similar to Regional Mathematics Olympiad. And our aim is to hold the Assam Mathematics Olympiad is to participate in Regional Mathematics Olympiad. The difficulty level of questions are almost similar. Sometimes the difficulty level of Assam Mathematics Olympiad questions is higher than the difficulty level of Regional Mathematics Olympiad. Last time the cutoff score of Regional Mathematics Olympiad was 21. But this time I think it will be a single digit. Okay, then in the next stage here is the training camp, then Indian National Mathematics Olympiad, then is the Indian National Mathematics Mathematics Olympiad. There is also a sixth question is carry 17 marks, and the duration of the exam time is 4 hours. In Regional Mathematics Olympiad, it has 3 hours, but in Indian National Mathematics Olympiad, it is of 4 hours. Okay? Actually, the sets are over. Already form fill up is over. Next time, the students from class 8 to 12, they can participate. The students who are in class 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, they can participate. So our aim of to organize the Assam Mathematics Olympiad is to participate in regional mathematics exams so well. After regional mathematics Olympiad, there are many more training camps. A popular camp will be held in everywhere, was held in everywhere in Nehu, Northeast Hills University. A training camp, there is a training camp. Actually, there are Magnus Reggae. Magnus Reggae, hunisa naam to kuno bai? I know. Magnus Reggae, he represented India many times. 3 or 4 times India. He represented India 3 or 4 times, I think. So he was there, but okay. Then take this. The main topic here. Here the main topics. The main areas are algebra, geometry, number theory, and combinatorics. The red color topics: algebra, geometry, number theory, and combinatorics. The main topics are algebra, geometry, number theory, and combinatorics. The other topics, arithmetic, trigonometry, sets, relation, and functions, they are also used. There is actually no direct question of functions which were taught in higher secondary exams. No direct questions of functions, but there are some functional equations. Like this. Okay, this next slide. Oh. Okay, right. Complete or not? Let's go to the next slide. This is Assam Mathematics Olympiad.
No need to worry. We are there.
Actually, these are the main topics for the category 3, 9, 10, and 11. I think you are in class 5 or 6. Okay. And subdivided the whole syllabus in many ways. Okay, here. This is Assam Mathematics Olympiad, which will be held in 20 August 2023. From here, 84 students applied. 85. in a single school. In Golaghat, there are 100 students in entire Golaghat.
There are applause for us.
Actually, this district in Sibsagar district. In Sibsagar district, they are record-breaking students. In the whole district, actually, there are 1,500 students applied in Sibsagar. In Sibsagar center, there are 900 plus students, and in Nazira center, there are 600 plus. But in Golaghat, there are two centers. One in Bukaka, there are 200 plus, and in Golaghat, there are only 100 plus. And here, from a single student, 85 is very feasible. Okay. Then here, already knows everything, sir. Here is the website where you, by going to this website, there are some question paper you can see. Just go to the website www.online.org.in. There are previous year's papers with solutions. You can download from the website. From 2017, I think there are papers with solutions. In each category, category 1, category 2, and category 3. Just note down the websites, okay?
Japan, no need to note down everything, the important point. Going back home, you will get it. Live streaming is going on in our YouTube channel. Understood? So no need to worry, you are not going to get everything. But the main points that strikes you, you note it down so that you do not forget. Understood? The overall thing is going
After the class, I also shared. Okay? These are the syllabus. I think already know. These are the syllabus.
It is already there.
This is already in the website. One can download from there. From category 1, category 2, and category 3. This is a very big syllabus. So I am summarizing here. These are the main topics. There is only a half an hour to be held there. So these are the main topics in category 1.
Hey, children of 5, 6.
For category 1.
No need to write. You get all these things in WhatsApp group. Okay, that's you see.
Actually, for category 1, there are mainly questions from numbers related.
Listen, what I say.
In category 1, listen. In category 1, there are basically questions related to the numbers. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, LCM, HCF, divisibility, and some word problems, which are not in our school syllabus, but there are some long word problems. And others, fractions, percentage, average, clock, calendar, permutations, and combinations. Actually, permutation combination in 5 and 6, they are very basic principle of counting only. If a student knows about the basic principle of counting, then it is okay. No need to knowledge about NCR, NPR. Simple, only basic principle of counting. Category 2.
7 and 8. Sir,
for category 2. Here requires permutation and combination. Actually, some good knowledge about permutation and combination requires, and all the divisibility rules up to 11, 13. Actually, already all of you knows about the divisibility of 11, but you have to extend it up to divisibility of 13. Then smallest and largest number, unit digit, LCM and LHCM. Okay, then sequence and series. How many of you heard about telescopic series? Okay, you know? Okay, thank you. Then here profit and loss, percentage, average, clock, calendar, work rate problem. Actually, this syllabus, the questions from this syllabus are all in our job-oriented exams. Clock, calendar, work rate, they are available in any job-oriented exams. Okay? This is the main syllabus. Actually, the category 3 exam is the main Olympiad. Category 1. In category 1, the questions, the typically level of question is higher than our school syllabus. Okay. After completing, মই প্ৰেজেণ্টেশ্যনটো সামৰি লওঁ, তাৰপিছত মই ডিছকাছ কৰি দিম যিমানবিলাক বস্তু আনিছোঁ ওপৰে ওপৰে।
Whatever is there, you are going to get it.
I am going to discuss some topics here, telescopic series. I am taking some examples. Okay? Then what is telescopic series? Now actually the Olympiad, the mathematics Olympiad, the category 3 is the original Olympiad. And the difficulty level of this question is up to the regional mathematics Olympiad level. And some questions from Assam Mathematics Olympiad, they are higher than the regional mathematics Olympiad. So this is the original Olympiad. In class, in 5 and 6, that is in the category 1, actually it is named as Olympiad, but the difficulty level of question level is just much higher than the class exams, but it is not in the level of Olympiad. There are languages. In school, there are simple only calculations, but here some language questions. Okay? In category 2, they just added or introduced some extent of Olympiad. Actually, 20% Olympiad, 80% from school syllabus type. But in category 3, they are in the level of regional mathematics Olympiad. Okay?
9 and above.
Just see the cut-off marks of last year. Then we are realize what is happening and who is in the level of Olympiad or who is in less level of Olympiad or who is are in the level of Olympiad. In category 1, the cut-off marks is 31. I think this year, this cut-off marks is just above the 31 because there are many more workshops were held in this time. In Golaghat, there are 11 days workshop are going on. Tomorrow there is also workshop in Golaghat where a student from Assam, which is belonging from Dergaon, now presently working as an assistant professor in West Virginia University. He was gold medalist in Assam Mathematics Olympiad in 2006. Now he was working as an assistant professor in West Virginia University. He was gold medal in 2006. Okay? So if anyone interested, then they can go to Golaghat. It will be held in Golaghat Commerce College from 11:30 a.m. The cut-off marks, see the category 2 cut-off marks, it is only 0.6 out of 100. But in our school exam, all of you just scores 100. But here it is only 6 in category 2. which are 20% of level of Olympiad question and 80% level of school type questions. But there are language in the questions. You have to just read the questions carefully and think and do. Okay? But in category 3, this marks are higher because of this one. This 77 marks is of Ananda Bhaduri. It is Ananda Bhaduri's mark 77. He represented India this year in International Mathematics Olympiad and got a silver medal there. And all the top rank holders are there. They are actually doing Olympiads from just many years, 3-4 years. They are just doing Olympiads. Okay. Just note down this name of the book. The first one is available in Amazon, in Flipkart. The Challenge in Field of Pre-College Mathematics.
Sir, from which level?
It is category 3.
Category 3, 9 and above.
Actually, there is no good book in for category 1. It is category 3. Challenge in Field of Pre-College Mathematics. বাকিবোৰ নিকিনিলেও চলি যাব সদ্যহতে প্ৰথম সেইখনে কিনি চোৱা যে চেলেঞ্জ ইন ফিল্ড অফ প্ৰি কলেজ মেথমেটিক্স বাকীবিলাক নিকিনিলেও চলিব যদি এখন পঢ়া যেন লাগে তেন্তে বেলেগ কিতাপ কিনি ল'ব পাৰিব হয় প্ৰথম এখনে ট্ৰাই কৰি চাওক Just note down the first one. And just note down these two books. This Pathfinder for Mathematics Olympiad, this is available in Amazon. And an excursion in mathematics. All of books are for category 3. Actually, for category 1 and 2, there are not so good books are there in category 1 and 2. Yeah. Okay. An excursion in mathematics, it is actually for the regional mathematics Olympiad level. There are basically, this is a collection of questions and hints. And it is a textbook book Pathfinder for Mathematics Olympiad. This is available in Amazon. Actually from class 7 and 8 students also can read these books. The Pathfinder for Mathematics Olympiad. Because the Indian Olympiad qualified mathematics start from class 8. Okay? The class 8 and 7 students also buy these books. And it is only for regional mathematics Olympiad and excursion in mathematics. This is only for regional mathematics Olympiad. Okay? Okay, now if you have any queries about the Olympiad, then I will discuss. Any queries you have? Okay, I'll discuss about telescopic series. Any queries about the Olympiad method stages? I'll discuss some topics. see what is the questions are here. Okay, this is the question for category 1. Let's see the questions. It is from Mathematics Olympiad 2016. To find the minimum positive value of the number 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, up to 9, where star is either a plus or minus. I'll discuss some topics related to Olympiad. It is from category 1. Category 2 আৰু 3 কিটা ট্ৰাই কৰিব পাৰা। মোক এনসাৰ কি নালাগে, বাট ৱে অফ এপ্ৰোচ লাগিব। Category 2 আৰু 3 এনো এনসাৰ কৰিব পাৰিবা, বাট মোক লাগিব what is the approaching way. And from category 1, answer? Simply use plus and minus in the place of the star or the power. It is star or power. Just replace plus or minus in the symbol. Then what is the minimum positive value of this number? Isaac Albert?
Not only the answer, you have to tell the method also. How?
Category 2 আৰু 3 মোক ক্লোজ ক'ব লাগিব, কেনেকৈ ক্লোজ কৰিছা। 1 কিটা এনসাৰ ক'লে হৈ যাব।
5 and 6, if you say the answer, it is okay. But 7 and above, you have to tell how you did. You understood the question, right? In case of accident, you have to check the plus or minus, and you have to get the smallest positive value out of this number. By substituting plus or minus, in case of accident.
If we consider only for integers, then what is the minimum positive value of an integer?
See, here's the answer.
Actually, first see the questions and think about what is the minimum positive value of an integer. But forget about the question. Just think what is the minimum positive value of an integer. It is 1. So first think for 1. If the answer is 1, if it's not is 1, there go to the next step. First thing, we can make it 1 or not.
Yes, sir, possible.
You have a call over here. Actually, sir, ঠিকে কৈছে অলিম্পিয়াডৰ বিউটিটোৱে কৈছে এনেকুৱা যে কুৱেশ্যনবিলাকৰ টিপিকেল লেভেল। মই নিজে আফটাৰ মাষ্টাৰ ডিগ্ৰী 2013ত মই 10খন মাষ্টাৰ্ছ কৰিছোঁ। 13ৰ পিছত অলিম্পিয়াড শিকিছোঁ আৰু ৰৈ গ'লোঁ। এতিয়া গোটেই মই অলিম্পিয়াডৰ ট্ৰেইনিং বা ল'ৰা ছোৱালী শিকাই থাকোঁ। অলিম্পিয়াডৰ বিউটিটো এইটো, স্কুলৰ প্ৰশ্নতকৈ বহুত থাকে। do you think about 1? If it is not, then go to the next step. There is possibility of 1 or not? Then how? Is there any possibilities for 1? If it is yes, then okay. Then if it is not, then we are go to the next. For 1. Now how?
Sir, if we take 1, 2, 3, and 8 and 9 positive, and if we take 4, 5, 6, and 7 negative,
From
plus 10.
class 10 and thinking as low as class 5. You are only going through the calculation. So I am just asking about processing way. You are doing only calculations.
There is a big problem with maths. As soon as you get it, you start doing everything. You don't think about volume.
Look, you are going to line, but you are doing about 1. If it is yes or no, there is a possibility of 1 or not. If it is yes, then okay. Oh, yes. Okay, the answer is 1. Now give me the approach.
Up to 5 negative. Up to 5 negative. That's 8 negative.
Sir, it is only calculation. I want the right approach there. Everyone, if you have some time, then see them doing some calculation plus minus, then always get the answer. Okay, so first sum the whole number from 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 9. It is 45. Okay, minus 1, 44. So just let this number 1. Okay, then from the remaining number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The sum is 44. Clear one? Okay, half of 44? 22. So, is there any possibilities by taking some numbers of by doing some sums? It is 22. By taking some numbers and some of them and some, is there any possibility of making 22? Yes. If 44 is divided in 2 parts, one is 22 and another is also 22. Okay? So my approach is there any chances of taking by some numbers and sum to up to 22?
Sir, 9, 4, 6, 7, I got it.
Okay, just observe here. 2 plus 9, 11, 3 plus 8, 11, 4 plus 7, 5 plus 6, 11. So now put plus and minus by yourself. So whenever you are given a question, you are given a problem, first just look about the question and observe what it says. আমাৰ অসমীয়াত কয় যে ছবিয়ে কথা কয় হয়নে? শব্দ আখৰ সংখ্যা সব ছবি নহয় জানো? এনে কিবা কথা ক'ব, এনে কি কৈছে চাব লাগিব কয়। এটা অবজাৰ্ভ যদি মই নকৰোঁ, মই কেলকুলেশ্যন কৰি মই বিভিন্ন ধৰণে ট্ৰাই কৰিম। এইটো মেথড হ'ল নহ'ল কাটি থাকিম, বুজি পাইছেনে গৈ? মই ফাৰ্ষ্ট কি কয় অবজাৰ্ভ কৰিম। গতিকে জাষ্ট ফাৰ্ষ্ট আই থিংক হোৱাট ইজ দ্য স্মলেষ্ট পজিটিভ ভেলু? ইট ইজ 1. ইফ ইট ইজ 1, then okay. If it is not, then go to the another step. Okay? Now see the another one. Actually, it was discussed in our workshop. Okay. Then just think about this. It is not a question from category 1 or 2. Just think about the question. equation twice x by 2 minus x square is equal to twice x by 1 plus 3x square. Just simply write out the equation twice x by 2 minus x square is equal to twice x divided by 1 plus 3x square. How many solutions are there? Simply write down the equation only. No need to write down all the languages there. Simply write down the equations only. Sound? Pune ki kore sai lo? This is not a question from Olympiad. Okay? This is simple question. How many solutions of this equation? Complete? So now how many solutions are there? These two. And from C? How many got C? 1, 2 and 2. For the category 1 students, just write down this question. The category 1 and 2, just write down this equation. This is a very simple question. For category 1 and 2, write down this x minus 1 by x minus n is equal to 1 minus 1 by x minus 1. Okay, category 3 also can write. This is another equation of x minus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by x minus 1. How many solutions are there? Here, sir, it is 2. Sure. Okay, fine, so let's see how the boys respond. Solution means that putting some number in place of x, then the left hand side equal to the right hand side. Okay?
Yes, number 1.
Which questions? This question solution is 2 solutions. No, putting in the last step. I want this answer from the students who are not attending my previous workshop in Golaghat. There I have discussed this question x minus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by x minus 1. 6. আসলে স্যার মই যিখিনি ল'ৰা ছোৱালীক গণ্ডগোল কৰিব বুলি ভাবিছোঁ তাতে সিহঁতি খেলি মেলি কৰি আছে গোটেই কাৰবাৰটো গৈ ঠিক আছে নে কয় অ'কে ফাৰ্ষ্ট ডিছকাছন ফাৰ্ষ্ট দিছ ওৱান This equation has no solution. Now think how. This equation has no solution. Again, this is a question of observation. Here all are doing only calculations only. Here, this is a question of observation. This equation has no solution. Okay. Can anyone explain how this equation has no solution? This equation has no solution. Can anyone explain? No. Actually, you are also doing calculations. Okay, just see the question. This is actually question of observation. Last question 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star also a question of observation. This is also the same type. This equation has no solution. Just see how. If x is equal to 1, then this time x minus 1 becomes 0. Clear one? If x is equal to 1, then x minus 1 in the denominator, this becomes 0. Clear? So 1 by 0, undefined. So first, observation, by method of observation, we think x is equal to 1 is not a solution of this equation. Clear one? By seeing only the equations, anyone can guess x is equal to 1 is not a solution of this equation. Clear? Okay. If x is not equal to 1, then see here. Okay, just see here. If x is not equal to 1, then this number 1 by x minus 1 and 1 by x minus 1 taking the same sign, they have the same value. Because if x is equal to a is a solution of this equation, then we have to put x equal to a in every places where x is there. Clear one? So by saying if x is equal to 1, then 1 by x minus 1 undefined, so x is equal to 1 is not a solution. Clear? Next second one, if x is not equal to 1, then 1 by x minus 1 and 1 by x minus 1 are the same value. Clear? So this implies we can just cut here, then we got x is equal to 1. Clear? But here we will write x is not equal to 1. Clear one? So by seeing only the questions, we can write here this equation has no solution. আমাৰ বেছিভাগে যে এনেকৈ কৰিছোঁ নহয় নে? এনেকৈ কৰিছোঁ চাবা যে মই কি কৰি আছোঁ আমাৰ গোটেই কামবিলাক। কি কৰিছে x minus 1 x into x minus 1 minus 1 x minus 1 1 minus x minus 1 then minus 1 হয় নে? বেছিভাগে অকল ক্যালকুলেশনে কৰি আছে আৰু গোটেই সমস্যাটো কৰি আছে তাতে। Okay, just see the next question. How many solutions?
Now be careful.
How many solutions are there? Only one. Another one? Okay, by seeing this question, x is equal to 0 is a solution or not? x equal to 0 is a solution or not? First see, x equal to 0 is a solution or not? This yes or no? Yes? Okay. So this implies one can write x is equal to 0 or 1 by 2 minus x squared is equal to 1 plus 3x squared. Yes or no? This equation has a solution x is equal to 0. If x is not equal to 0, then this twice x by twice x can cancel it. Then the remaining part is 1 by 2 minus x squared is equal to 1 by 1 plus 3x squared. Okay? Then simply cross multiplying. 1 plus 3x squared is equal to 2 minus x squared. So this implies 4x squared is equal to 1. So x squared is equal to 1 by 4. This implies x is equal to plus minus half. So how many solutions are there? 3. How many solutions are there? It is 3. Okay? Then see what is the method. First observe the question. Just observe the question. Whenever this is 0 or this becomes 0. Whenever it is in the type of ratio, then think about the numerator and denominator. If denominator is 0 and numerator is non-zero, then undefined. Clear one? If the numerator is 0, then the whole number becomes 0. So here, if x is equal to 0, this becomes 0, and if x equal to 0, this becomes 0. So x equal to 0 is the solution here. Okay? If x not equal to 0, then these are the calculations here. So this equation has 3 solutions. Clear one? Okay. This is also discussed in the workshop. Very good question. Anyone from class 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 can do this question. Very simple question. If we go through simple calculation 2019, then it takes many days, I think. Just please note to calculate 2 power 2019. If anyone has started here from 2 power 2019, I think it takes many days to be calculated.
Okay, you got it?
We want the unit digit after doing the sum. If anyone go through the calculation to find the value of 2 power 2019, 3 power 2019, I think it will take many days, many weeks, many months. So just simply observe the question. How many of you knows about how to find the unit digit? Unit digit, that is the last place in the number. In 123, what is the unit digit? It is 3. Okay. digit. Okay. The field powering of 1, what is the unit digit? Powering of 1 by any natural number, what is the unit digit? It is always 1. So 1 to the power 2019, 11 power 2019. Unit is the same. 21 power 2019. Same unit digit. Okay. Then can anyone think about 2 power 2019 and 12 power 2019? What will be the unit digit? Actually, how unit digit is calculated? 123 and 65. If we are asked about the unit digit, then what we have to do? My question is, if 123 is multiplied by 65, then what is the unit digit? It is? How it is calculated? We are only to multiply only the unit digit of these two numbers. Here it is 3 or in 5. Just multiply 5 and 3, then result is 15, so the unit digit is 5. For unit digit, we are just calculating only the unit places. Clear one? So think here. Okay, think here. The unit digit of 1 power 2019, 11 power 2019, 21 power 2019, up to 91 power 2019 are same? Clear? Okay. Similarly, the unit digit of 2 power 2019, 12 power 2019, 22 power 2019, up to 92 power 2019 is same? Why the same? Why the same? Because for finding a unit digit, we are calculate the unit digit only. Here unit digit is 2, so 2 is repeated 2019 times. Clear one? Okay. For 12 power 2019, we are only to calculate 2 power 2019 to find the unit digit. Clear one? Similarly for 22, similarly for 32, similarly for 92. Okay? Think about the numbers which are end with 3. 3 power 2019, 13 power 2019, and 32 power 2019. Also 22, 32 power 2019, and up to, sorry, here, this 23 and 33. Up to 93 power 2019. Their unit is the same? Clear? Similarly, the number which are end with 4, their unit is the same. 4 power 2019, 14 power 2019, 22 power, 24 power 2019. Their unit is the same. Similarly, we can say about 5. The numbers which are ended with 5, it is 5, 15, 25, 35. Clear one? Similarly for 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Okay. From 1 to 91, how many numbers are there? 1, 11, 21, 31, up to 91. How many numbers are there? Not serially. 1, 11, 21, 31. The numbers which are ended with 1. How many are there? It is 10. 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, up to 91. There are 10 numbers which are ended with 1. Clear one? So if the unit digit of these 10 numbers are 0, then after summation, what is the unit digit of these numbers? What is the unit digit of these numbers? What is the unit digit? There are 10 numbers which has equal unit digit. Then after summation, what is the unit digit? It is 0? Okay. Similarly for this one, we also say this is also 0 after doing summation. Clear one? Similarly also for this one it is 0. Similarly for all the others, the summation is 0. So what is the answer here? It is 0 because 10, 20, 30 already they are taking 0. Clear one? Again there is a no calculation, simple observation. Okay? আৰু মই বেছি ডিসকাস নকৰো তাত বহুত বেছি কোৱেশ্চন আছিলে খালি কোনোবা এজন মোক কৈ দে টেলিস্কোপ সিরিজ কি জাস্ট মই দেখাই দিব খুঁজে টেলিস্কোপ সিরিজ কি
Okay, telescope series.
জাস্ট সি अबाउट টেলিস্কোপ সিরিজ it is a question from telescope series in every paper in category 2 there is a question from telescope series in everywhere. In category 2, there is always a question from telescopic series. In category 1, last time, one question is from category in telescope series. From category, for category 1 also, there is a question from telescopic series. It is equally important for all the categories. You got the solutions? How you got? Okay, let's see how a telescopic series can be done. Just calculate 1 minus half. 1 minus half. It is, one can write 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2. So 1 into 2, then 2 minus 1. So it is 1 by 1 into 2. Clear? Okay. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Then check 2 into 3, then 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 3. Clear one? Okay, similarly check for 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. It is 3 into 4, 4 minus 3, so it is 1 by 3 into 4. So that's, see, then each and every fraction 1 by 1 by 2 can be expressed as defiance of 2. Clear? Here also 1 by 2 into 3 can be expressed as a defiance of 2. Here also 1 by 3 into 4 can be expressed as defiance of 1 by 3 minus 4. Clear one? Similarly we can write 1 by 99 minus 1 by 100 is equal to 1 by 99 into 100. It is okay? Is yes? We can do? Okay. Just sum all the numbers here. Just sum the numbers. 1 minus, okay, first write this number. 1 by 1 into 2. by 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into 4 plus 1 by 3 into 4 plus up to 1 by 9. Sorry, here it is 99 into 100. Can we write it way? 1 minus half plus half minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Okay? Just simply say by removing the brackets. Minus half plus half there cancel out. Minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 cancel out. Minus 1 by 4 to the next number 1 by 4. Clear one? Just observe and think. These are remaining. Only 1 minus 1 by 100. Clear or not? Just observe. We can write this sum as a 1 minus 1 by 100. Clear? So here is the first term and 1 by 100 is the last term. Telescope দেখিছে সকলোৱে? কি হয় বাৰু telescope? দেখিব পাৰো? আকৌ জপাই দিব পাৰো, হয়নে? So এই যিটো series আছে, this series is also looks like telescope. It is collapsed as telescope. So here the only the last one and the first one. Okay? This collapse like telescope, so it is named as telescopic series. Clear one? And their sum is simple. 100 minus 1, so it is 99 by 100. In each and every paper, in category 2, there is a question from telescopic series. In last year, there is a question from telescopic series. Now I am giving you a question from telescopic series. Okay? That's all. It. It is okay for all of you? Last answers? Okay, just do these questions. Similar questions. It is similar question. Then I am going to discuss about your queries. Actually, the Olympiad syllabus is very large. The Olympiad syllabus is very large. I'm discussing, I'm just getting these questions for to discuss about what is a telescope series and what is the actually method of observation. Kalau aku huan. Okay, কাম কৰিব তো ঘৰত কৰিবা. Just take this as homework. Okay? এটাতো মই কিবা কিবি অলপ লৈ আহিছোঁ ছাৰে মোক কালি কেইটামান কুৱেশ্যন পঠাইছিলে মই ক'বৰ কাৰণে তাৰ আগতে তোমালোকৰ কিবা সেইকেইটা মই কৈ দিম কিবা কুৱেৰিজ আছে নেকি কুৱেশ্যন সলভিঙৰ বাহিৰে if we when we queries
anything beyond the syllabus of certain questions are there that I have tested but beyond that, if you have anything that concerns you with something mathematical, see the answer. Is there something? Not about the subject matter. Subject sensitivity has been tested.
actually before going to solve a problem first you just read the question carefully whenever you are going to do a question or going to a problem solving first read the questions carefully or read the problem carefully in olympiad the questions are named as problems and you are just do the solutions okay so before going to solve a problem first just read the question carefully each and every word and this is known as the word analysis read each and every word and this is known as the word analysis if you don't know about the meaning of the words then how you can solve the problem okay first read the question carefully okay just think actually this is the best way of learning mathematics is do mathematics ঘৰত সকলোকে অংক কৰিব লাগে চবে কৰিয়ে থাকে গৈ দিছ দ্য বেষ্ট ৱে কৈ থাকে ঘৰতো কৈ থাকে গালিও দিয়ে নোৱাৰিলেও গালি দিয়ে পাৰিলেও গালি দিয়ে অংক কৰি থাকিব লাগে গৈ দিছ দ্য বেষ্ট ৱে অফ লাৰ্ণিং মেথমেটিক্স ইজ ডু মেথমেটিক্স আৰু তাতে আমাৰ খেলা খতম হৈ যায় কাৰণে খেলা খতম পইচা হজম তাতে হৈ যায় গৈ all the best of learning mathematics is do mathematics before doing mathematics there are 3 steps are there first one this is the best way already all of you knows about that the best of learning mathematics is doing mathematics before doing a mathematics there are 3 stages first one is read mathematics read means you are given a question then just read every word in the question you are read and try to understand the words carefully okay after reading the questions or after reading the definition after reading the theorem just think okay after reading the solutions after reading the questions after reading the problem after reading the definitions theorems etc okay the second stage is think mathematics okay here you are think about the aim of the problem what is the aim how we can approach to the solutions okay what are the pre-knowledges we have what are the formulas we have okay what are the theorems we have before going to do the problems there are 3 steps okay first one read mathematics read carefully each and every word this is known as the word analysis clear one after understanding all the meaning of the questions then just go to the think stage here first thing what is the aim of the questions okay then think what the questions give you what are the data given by the questions okay and remember all the pre-knowledges of theorems definitions etc okay up to in the think stage up to the solution you are to think the basic way the main way okay and in the last stage it is actually do mathematics it is the last stage do mathematics a great mathematician says that the best way of learning mathematics is do mathematics and we are always follow the greatest one so we are only doing mathematics just skipping the read and think Clear? So before doing a mathematics, first read carefully and then think and do. Okay? And always remember, the first stage of doing a mathematics or first stage of solving a equation is the method of observation. So today I'm just taking the questions we are doing by seeing only the questions or by the method of observation. This is the first stage. Actually, everyone skipped the first stage. Here today, when I'm giving you a question, all of our doing just calculations. Okay? Just seeing the question and observe what the question says. অসমীয়াত কয় না মই কৈছোঁ ছবিয়ে কথা কয় ইয়াত যিমান আখৰ আছে শব্দ আছে সকলোৱে কথা ক'ব just seeing the questions carefully and observe. Okay. ছাৰে যিকেইটা মোক কালি পঠাইছিলে কালি ৰাতি কিবা কিবি কষ্ট কৰি লিখি নাই যাতে এইকেইটা লিখিছোঁ যিকেইটা বস্তু মানুহে কপি ডাইলগৰ পৰা নেমাৰে নেটত চাৰ্চ কৰিলে বেলেগ ওলাব মই মোৰ যিটো এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চ আছে মই তাৰ পৰা এইকেইটা লিখি আনিছোঁ চাবা মোৰ পইণ্ট অফ ভিউ কি আছে আৰু কেনেকৈ এপ্ৰ'চ কৰা যায় কৰি So why do students find mathematics tougher than other subjects? Actually, the rumors spread in our social life, or is a common belief that mathematics is hard. So it is tougher for many of you. It's a common belief that mathematics is hard. Actually, mathematics is very easy. There are always chances of to get 100 out of 100. In other subjects, this is less possibility to get 100 out of 100. Okay? So why students find mathematics tougher? One of the reasons is not understanding the topics in their previous classes. They're not understanding the topics in their previous classes. And this is the main thing, only doing, not thinking. Whenever you are given a questions, you are just going to do only calculations without thinking. So from now, I think all of you, whenever you are given a question, just first see the question, what the question speaks, what the question says, okay? Then try first by method of observation to do the solution, okay? Method of observation. If it is not, then think about the other formulas you have, other definitions you have, other theorems you have. Just try, okay? Next one. How some students find mathematics interesting and easy? আসলে আমাৰ কি কয় পাৰিলে বুজো নোৱাৰিলে টান ইয়াতো কথাটো তেনেকুৱাই পাৰিলে বুজো নোৱাৰিলে টান হয়নে ক্ৰিকেট দেখিছে ন সকলোৱে ইণ্ডিয়ান টিমে ৱেষ্ট ইণ্ডিজৰ লগত হাৰিছে চবেই বদনাম গাইছে কাইলৈ যদি পাকিস্তানৰ লগত জিকিছে চবেই বম ফুটা থাকে কয় এই বস্তুটো তেনেকুৱা পাৰিলে বুজো নোৱাৰিলে টান ইয়াতো কিয় ইজি পাইছোঁ Actually, who get mathematics interesting and easy, who find mathematics interesting and easy, the main reason is regular study and regular practice. The students who doing the regular study and regular practice, they always find any subject interesting and easy. Okay? The next one, they understand the topics which are taught in their previous classes, in the present classes, they understand the topics. Okay? When you understand a topic, you have to concentrate what the teachers say, what the books say, and then just keep regular study and regular practice. Clear? Okay. আৰু মই এটা পইণ্ট কৈছোঁ এই ৰেগুলাৰ ষ্টাডি ৰেগুলাৰ প্ৰেক্টিচ কামটো চলে অকল 10লৈকে তাৰপিছত আমাক লজিকেল থিংকিং লাগিব হৈছে সেইকাৰণে মেট্ৰিকত চাবাচোন 100 আউট অফ 100 ধেৰ ওলায় হায়াৰ ছেকেণ্ডেৰীত গৈ 30 পাবলৈ একদম যুদ্ধ কৰিব লগা হয় regular study, regular practice, they are also doing in 12 also, in 11 also. But the way of doing a problem in school, by skipping the third stage, this is the method of observation, they are always fail in their higher studies, in 11 or 12. Okay? What are the do's and don'ts of studying mathematics? Actually, it is known to all. ভাল কথাবোৰ সকলোৱে জানো, কোনো ফলো নকৰোঁ, কথাটো কিমানেই। What are do's and don'ts সকলোৱে জানো, মোবাইল চাব নালাগে তথাপি চাই থাকোঁ, ভিডিঅ' গেম খেলিব নালাগে তথাপি খেলি থাকোঁ, সকলোৱে জানে, বুজি পাইছে নহয়? do's and don'ts বিলাক সকলোৱে জানে, কিন্তু নকৰোঁ, এক্সাৰচাইজ কৰিলে সকলোৱে ভাল হৈ জানে, ময়ো নকৰোঁ, পেট লাগিছে তথাপি নকৰোঁগৈ। কথাটো তেনেকুৱাই বস্তুটো। ইয়াতে do's and don'ts সকলোৱে জানে, মই তথাপিও এনেই এটা দুটা লাইন লিখি আনিছোঁ। do's and don'ts সকলোৱে জানে, ডিছকাছ কৰিবলগীয়া বস্তু নাই। Read the textbooks from very first page. Read the textbook from the very first page. Always try to understand the topics, definitions, and theorems. Okay? Then collect good examples and good problems. Collect good examples and good problems. And try to solve them. এইটো আমাৰ অনুপম শইকীয়া ছাৰে ৰেংলাৰ কৰা নাই নৰ্থ ইষ্টৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট ৰেংলাৰ অনুপম শইকীয়া ডক্টৰ অনুপম শইকীয়া now he is there in the IIT associate professor of mathematics অনুপম শইকীয়া ছাৰে সদায় কয় আমাৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালী অংকত বেয়া কৰে কেৱল এইটো কাৰণতে ভালকৈ পইণ্টটো মন কৰি চোৱাচোন always try a new problem or whenever you are trying a old problem then try in a different way or a new way আমাৰ যিসকলে যে কয় আমি অংক ইজিকে পাওঁ অংক ইজি পাই তাত দুটা কথা কোনোদিন নতুন প্ৰব্লেম ট্ৰাই কৰা নাই নহ'লে পুৰণা প্ৰব্লেম নতুন ধৰণে ট্ৰাই কৰা নাই সেইকাৰণে সদায় পাৰে কোনোবাতে নোৱাৰিলেও মজা আছে হয় গতিকে অলৱেজ ট্ৰাইং এ নিউ প্ৰব্লেম অৰ ট্ৰাই টু সলভ এ অল্ড প্ৰব্লেম ইন এ নিউ ৱে ক্লিয়াৰ অ'কে এইটো ইয়াত ক'ব লাগে নালাগে নাজানো ছাৰ কৈ দিছোঁ এইটো বিতৰ্কিত বিষয় যদি পাৰা টিউশ্যন নকৰিবা টিউশ্যনৰ টিচাৰকেইটা মোক বেয়া পায় চৰকাৰী স্কুলত গৈ গৈ মই কওঁগৈ না টিউশ্যন পাৰিলে কমাই কৰিবা সকলোৱে বেয়া পায় গৈ পিনে ই আমাৰ পেট মাৰিব আহিলে বুলি কয় ইফ দেৰ ইজ ন' আদাৰ ৱে দেন টেক টিউশ্যনছ আদাৰৱাইজ জাষ্ট এভইড একচুৱেলি উই আৰ ৱেষ্টিং আৱাৰ টাইমছ বাই ডুইং টিউশ্যনছ আফটাৰ গেটিং টিউশ্যনছ anyone get increase his marks from 90 to 91 then what is the difference in 1 marks that's it boy eto bahote mok beya pae if there is no other way then take reference book otherwise avoid reference book parile nopodhiba বুজি পাইছা না কয় একদম নহয়ছে তেতিয়া চাবা if there is no other way, then take reference book, otherwise avoid. Just simply read the textbooks from the very first page and always collect some good problems, good examples and try to solve by yourself. Ramanujan naam সকলোৱে শুনিছা নহয় কয় Ramanujane class 10 11 তে সদায় কিছুমান কুৱেশ্যন লৈছিল আৰু নিজৰ ধৰণে ট্ৰাই কৰি আছিলে কয় আফটাৰ ডিগ্ৰী পিছত দেখিছে বেলেগে সেইবিলাক কৰি দিছিলে তেতিয়া তেওঁ দেখিলে তেওঁৰ অলপ সময় নষ্ট কৰিছিল কিন্তু তেওঁ নিজে শিকিলে নিজে কৰিলে বেছিকৈ শিকা যায় হয় এইটো আপোনাৰ সুবিধাৰ কাৰণে চবৰে কামত আহিব ইট উইল বি বেটাৰ কিপ এ ষ্টুডেণ্ট টেক হিজ স্কুল ক্লাছেছ ৰেগুলাৰলি এণ্ড আস্ক এণ্ড ডিছকাছ দ্য ডাউটছ উইথ ইউৰ ক্লাছ টিচাৰ্ছ ইট ইজ অলৱেজ বেটাৰ আমাৰ সময়টো এতিয়াৰ সময়টো আমাৰ আগৰ সময়টো আৰু পিছলৈকেও থাকিবগৈ ই সময় বচাব একচুৱেলি উই আৰ অলৱেজ ৱেষ্টিং আৱাৰ টাইমছ বাই ডুইং টিউশ্যনছ we are doing the same problem in schools in home in tuitions so we are always wasting our time actually the present scenario of education system it is a wasting of time we are wasting time hour যি তোমাক সিলেবাস দিয়া আছে, যি তোমাক মেথড দিয়া আছে, বুজি পাইছা না কৈ পিনে কেৱল এভাৰেজ ষ্টুডেণ্টৰ কাৰণে দিয়া আছে। অসমত এভাৰেজতকৈ ওপৰ ষ্টুডেণ্টো আছে, সেইখিনি একেখিনি বস্তুকে পঢ়ি থাকে গৈ। তো যিসকলে আজি নিজকে ভাল বুলি ভাবিছা, এভাৰেজতকৈ ওপৰত বুলি ভাবিছা, অলিম্পিয়াডৰ পৰীক্ষা দিয়া বা অন্য তেনেকুৱা ঢেৰ পৰীক্ষা আছে। There are many more Olympiads. Actually, the Olympiads in India, they are conducted by Homi Bhabha Center. There are Olympiads in mathematics, there are Olympiads in physics, there are Olympiads in chemistry, there are Olympiads in astronomy, and there is also Olympiad in junior science for up to class 10. So if you are good or you are think about you are better than the average, then just doing Olympiads, okay? এইটো সকলোৱে জানে, মোক ক'বলগীয়া নাই। What difficulties are faced? ভালকৈ নিশিকিলে পিছত দিগদাৰ হ'ব, মেথছেই হওক যিয়েই নহওক, বুজি পাইছানে গৈ? If they don't study mathematics well during their school days, লিখিব লাগে লিখি আনিছোঁ, তাত বেছি একো কথা নাই। ভালকৈ যদি তুমি মেথছ নাজানা, এনেও বেলেগ ছাবজেক্টত প্ৰব্লেম হ'ব। বিকজ ইন ইকনমিক্স there are 50% maths and 50% economics. In sociology also there are 40%, up to 40% is mathematics. In science to জানাই mathematics is the mother of science বুলি কয়, গতিকে মেথছটো চবতে লাগে, সকলোৱে গম পায়ে গৈ পিনে। In arts also, now maths is a very important subject. Again, it is the last point. In almost every job, there is a paper of mathematics. You have to qualify the mathematics paper, then you will get the job. In almost every job or interview, there is a paper on mathematics. So if you not study or mathematics well in your schools or in your any classes, then it is always difficult to pass out the job exams, to understand the other subjects. Clear one? Okay. And it is always remember, the best of learning mathematics is doing mathematics. কাহানি বাজুকৰ পৰা চলি আহিছে, but just apply these 3 stages now. Read, think and do. Okay, মোৰ ফালৰ পৰা কমপ্লিট হৈ গৈছে, কাৰোবাৰ কিবা থাকিলে বুলিব পাৰা।
So it's just 1 minute to be 5 o'clock time. Is there any more questions? Anything that you want to ask?
One minus 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3. This is 1 into 3. 3 minus 1. This is 2 times of 1 by 3. Clear one? 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. This is here 3 into 5, and here it is 5 minus 3. So we can write 2 by 3 into 5. Clear? Similarly, 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7. We can write 2 times of 5 into 7. Clear? But there in the question it is 1 by 1 into 3, 1 by 3 into 5, 1 by 5 into 7. Here when we subtract 1 by 3 from 1, 1 by 5 from 1 by 3, then it is 2 times of there. Clear one? Okay. Then one can write here 1 by 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 7 up to so on. Okay, clear. Then just simply write of half of 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. Clear? Why it is half? It is 2 times. Clear? Okay, last one, just check here. And it is also take it as homework for. It is 3. In regional Olympiad there is a 4. Here it is 3. Let's write down the questions. ফিনিচিং মাৰিছোঁ জাষ্ট মই দুটা লাইন কৰিছোঁ একচুৱেলি এতিয়া বহুতক ক্লিয়াৰ হোৱা নাই যে অলিম্পিয়াডৰ কাৰণে পঢ়িবাকে চিলেবাছখন ফৰ কেটেগৰী 1 মন কৰি শুনি ল'বাগৈ এই এসপ্তাহত বহুত বেছি সলনি নহয় টপিকখিনি মন কৰি ল'বা নাম্বাৰছ ফাৰ্ষ্ট ওৱান নাম্বাৰ related to any number problem. It is LCM, HCM, divisibility, prime number, conjugate number, okay, co-primes, summation, difference, multiplication, division, number. বাকি জামিতি মেলিব নালাগে যে মূৰৰ ওপৰৰ পৰা গুচি যাব এসপ্তাহত okay for category 2 last time it is cut-off marks is very poor. It is only 6. For category 2, you have to read about again from numbers. Then there is a question from work rate. Work rate চিনি পোৱা নহয় কোনোবা এটা কুৱেশ্যন যে দিব 5জন মানুহ ইমান দিনত কৰিলে 7জন পুৰুষে ইমান দিনত কৰিলে 7গৰাকী মহিলা ইমান দিনত কৰিলে একেলগে কিমান দিনত কৰিব তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ বস্তু স্কুল চিলেবাছত আছে নেকি ক'ৰবাত work rate work rate problem আৰু স্কুল চিলেবাছৰ পৰা মন কৰি শুনিবা কেটেগৰী 2ৰ কাৰণে distance speed time যি পঢ়িব পৰা কৈ আছো কয় variation from school syllabus for category 2 numbers any problem related to numbers distance speed time work rate clock calendar then some polynomials okay just এইখিনি পঢ়িলে ক'লে এসপ্তাহত তাতকৈ বেছি দিলে বেছি অদ্ভুত কাম নহয় যাবগে গৈ কেটেগৰী 3 কাৰণে category 3 permutation and combination this is named as combinatorics permutation and combination if you know about the basic principle counting if you know about how to apply the NCR and NPR then it is okay basic principle of counting. Second one is number theory. There is a chapter in class 10 in advancement. Arithmetic of integers. Their divisibility properties are there. Their congruence are there. So you are knows about the congruence, how to apply it. Congruence are used for finding the remainders. Okay? So congruence are used for finding the remainders. In number theory, you are knows about the divisibility property, the Euclidean algorithm, and the congruences. Okay? Then there is combinatorics. And again there is the polynomial. Polynomial, the relation between roots and coefficients. You know about the relation between zeros and coefficients. Clear? Polynomial. Then a basic geometry. Actually, the difficulty level of geometry question is very high. The difficulty level of geometry question is very high. So, if you have no time, then just skip. Okay? Just simply read about permutation and combinations. This is known as a combinatorics. Okay? Then the divisibility properties of numbers, Euclidean algorithm, and congruences. Okay? And then the last one, polynomials. Relation between roots and coefficients, zeros and coefficients. Okay? And then some problems are here. Clear one? No, there is no negative marking. It is a long question paper, no? This is subjective paper. In subjective paper, actually, there is no negative marking. Negative marking is there in MCQs only. Clear? This subjective paper, there you are given some questions and you have to explain the answers.
So dear children, I believe there is a great takeaway from this session, and I hope in this ensuing, not this Sunday, the ensuing, the next Sunday, you are going to come up with flying colors in this Assam Mathematics Olympiad. And let me tell you, this is the first stage. Next year, if you children, understood, do it well, maybe we can go for a longer period of workshop during vacation. Understood? But we need greater number of participation, and we want to see more students falling in love with this subject. And as sir say, rightly, sir gave a demo of that even. When a maths is given, immediately you start calculating. It's not it. Calculation is not important. First read, then think. And after that, start finding alternative ways rather than straightly jumping into doing the calculations. Understood? That is what sir was trying to say. Few questions were sent by us. You can see all the questions had some similarity in terms of its answers. Understood? The biggest problem with us is we never think. Understood? And why children find mathematics tough? Because it is in the air, the fear. And if you think you can't, you can't. You got the point what I am trying to say? So that change in attitude, the way you look into this subject is very much needed. And one more thing, let me tell you, all the children who took in class 10 basic maths, you have a chance to change it to standard maths. Understood? How? There is a walk around. Like you give exam, board exam as basic maths, and you see you did really very good, and you can go for better math. And in better math, you can go for standard maths. So thereby, even if you score little less, you already have a plan B with you. But it's not about the scores, it's about what sir said. Understood? All the math syllabus which is designed, it is for the average children, average. Understood? And if you think you had something in you, you should look out for something par excellence that suits you. Got it? That suits you. That is up to your mark. And sir gave you so many alternatives. And that is just one. Okay, so this is the infant step. If I say baby step, it is wrong. It is infant step that we took this year. Maybe next year, we will come up with so many other things, but need your support. Got? So with that, so I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Sir Mr. Siddhartha Gogoi, who is also Joint Secretary of Assam Academy of Mathematics, that he has come all the way from Golaghat to us and shared his wisdom. A big round of applause for him. So, with that, we conclude this session. Thank you, children. Thank you for your patience. Thank you, sir. Okay, wait, just, sir, I want to say something.
মই এক মিনিট কৈছোঁ, বেছি নকওঁ মই এৰিব। একচুৱেলি যিসকলে যিকেইটা মানে মেথছ ভাল পাইছা, যি নিজকে ভাবিছা উই আৰ বেটাৰ দেন দ্য এভাৰেজেছ, অ'কে, উই আৰ ইফ ইউ আৰ অপটিং ফৰ অলিম্পিয়াড, আৰু যিসকলে অকণ ভাবিছা যে অলিম্পিয়াড আমাৰ কাৰণে টান হ'ব, আৰু অলিম্পিয়াড পঢ়িলে মই আজি নক'লে বস্তুটোৱে যে কি লাভ হ'ব, হয়নে? কি লাভ হ'ব লোকচান সদায় আমাক লাগিব নহয়। অলিম্পিয়াড পঢ়িলে কি হয়, ফৰ স্কুল লেভেল এক্সাম দ্য অলিম্পিয়াড ইজ দ্য অলৱেজ ইন দ্য টপ লেভেল এক্সাম। ইয়াতকৈ টান এক্সাম নাই অলিম্পিয়াডতকৈ, স্কুলৰ কাৰণে কয়। আৰু অলিম্পিয়াড যদি আমি পঢ়োঁ, বাকী যিমানবিলাক এক্সাম আছে আপ টু IIT যি এডভান্স, সেইবিলাক চব চিম্পুল হৈ যায়। নেশ্যনেল অলিম্পিয়াড যদি তুমি ক্লিয়াৰ কৰিছা ইন মল, তেন্তে তোমাক চেন্নাই মেথমেটিকেল ইনষ্টিটিউট, ইণ্ডিয়ান ষ্টেটিষ্টিকেল ইনষ্টিটিউট, ইণ্ডিয়ান ইনষ্টিটিউট অফ চায়েন্স, তাত তোমাক ডাইৰেক্টলি এডমিশ্যন দি দিবগৈ, কোনো ধৰণৰ ৰিটেন টেষ্ট দিব নালাগেগৈ। আৰু যদি তুমি ক্লাছ 9, 10, 11তে যদি পাছ কৰি গৈছা, 9তো যদি তুমি নেশ্যনেল পাছ কৰিছা, তেনে মনৰ হেঁপাহেৰে 11, 12 পঢ়িব পাৰা। কাৰণ 12ৰ পিছতে তুমি CMI যাবা হয়ছেনে কাৰণ 11 12 পঢ়ি মজা পাবাগৈ এতিয়া 9 10ত কষ্ট কৰি দিয়া কাৰণ আজিকালি 10ত বৰ্ড এক্সাম অলমষ্ট উঠাই দিছে গৈ বুজি পাইছনে গৈ মোৰ এটা ষ্টুডেণ্ট আছিলে অনুৰাগ কাশ্যপ অলিম্পিয়াড দিছিলে দুবাৰ দিছে দুইবাৰ নেশ্যনেল ফেল কৰিছে 4 পাইছে আউট অফ 102 দুইবাৰ ফেল কৰিছে হয়ছেনে গৈ কি কেইবছৰ তাৰ এই মেথছত লৈ মাষ্টাৰ্ছ কৰিব গৈ পিনে মেথছৰ ৰিচাৰ্চ কৰিব সেই বছৰ সি যি মেইনছৰ এক্সাম দিছে কোনো ধৰণৰ কোচিং কৰা নাই মই অলিম্পিয়াড শিকাওঁ তাক অন্য মেথছ নিশিকাওঁ গৈ পিনে অলিম্পিয়াড মাজে মাজে শিকাওঁ তাকো সময় ক'ৰবাত এমাহ সময়ত এদিন ক'ৰবাত এসপ্তাহ সময়ত এদিন গৈ পিনে যি মেইনছৰ মেথছৰ পাৰ্চেণ্টেজ আছিলে 99.8 অল আছাম হাইষ্ট আছিলে মই চাগে এডভাইচ কৰিব পাৰিলোঁ কিন্তু নকৰিলোঁ এইকাৰণে আমাৰ মিডিয়াবিলাকে যাই পিনে সময় নষ্ট কৰে নহয় গৈ পিনে সেইকাৰণে নকৰিলোঁ সেইটো বছৰত 99.8 তাৰ হাইষ্ট আছিলে মই আকৌ কৈছোঁ মই কেৱল তাক অলিম্পিয়াডৰ কাৰণে ট্ৰেইন আপ কৰাইছিলোঁ তাকো মাজে মাজে ক'ৰবাত এমাহ সময়ত এদিন ক'ৰবাত এসপ্তাহত এদিন যি মেইন মানে অলিম্পিয়াড পঢ়িলে বাকী চব একদম চিম্পুল কাৰণ ইয়াতকৈ তাত এক্সাম নাই স্কুলত আৰু এতিয়া CMIত আছে তাত ডাটা চাইন্সত মাষ্টাৰ্ছ কৰি আছেগৈ লাষ্ট টাইম অলছ' নবাংশু নিৰ্গগৈ ফ্ৰম DPS নুমলীগড় হি অলছ' এগেইন failed in 2 times in National Mathematics Olympiad. After 12 he got admission in IJAR. তো যিমানবিলাক নেশ্যনেল এক্সামৰ নাম শুনিছা ডাঙৰ ডাঙৰ যিবিলাক ইনষ্টিটিউটৰ ভাল ভাল নাম শুনিছা যদি তুমি অলিম্পিয়াড দিয়া কণ্টিনিউ মানে তুমি লাগিলে নেশ্যনেল ফেইল কৰা 2 বছৰ বা 1 বছৰ কণ্টিনিউ পঢ়ি দিয়া বাকী চব এক্সাম পাৰ হৈ যাবাগৈ চ' কালিলৈ tomorrow at 11:30 AM Mr. Again his name is my name Siddhartha Bora. This gold medalist in 2006 in Assam Olympiad now presently working as a assistant professor in West Virginia University USA. So if anyone interested, then just go. Okay?
So,
Okay, children, be there. So, one photograph, let us take. Sir, apni alle aho. Be there. I am going to take a photo from this side. Sir.